sure appreciate that $49.99, Scott, man. I'm gonna do something with that positive. Scott! Boy, he ain't gonna scoot up. Look out, Scott, man. I sure appreciate it, man, one time for the one time. Hey, y'all already subscribed, right? Oh, they already. Y'all subscribed too? Everybody on there? You on there too, man? Oh, he look like he's subscribing now. He on there?
Oh, I remember you last time.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to make sure you on there, man. You be playing. Come on, man. You on there too, man? Yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Yeah. Say subscribe, y'all. Yeah, I got some stickers. I got some stickers. Barely put that mug down. Damn. Y'all seen him pop that wheelie? How much is a lookout merge? What he gonna do with it though? Boy, they sure playing this music. Let me see. Man, where's Scott at, man?
Hey,
Scott, where you from?
You find some clips, man. Find some clips that we can talk about.
Find some clips
That
we can talk.
That we can talk over. And that you think would be funny to do like a voiceover on.
Yeah, we could do that on anything.
That's what I mean. I'll come over and we'll just start bullshitting and hit record.
Well, a lot of them that's good to do a voiceover on is a lot of my drone footage.
That's what I mean.
Don't have no
It's
sound.
perfect. That's what we need to do. I need to come over when you're editing that shit.
I got a lot of drone
Get an audio mic right up in our face, and then just have the audio playing over. And then clip that and put it over the footage.
Hey. Alrighty, guys. Coming up next, we have this V6 Challenger. We have the almighty powerful Dodge Charger. Sounds like it's breathing pretty good. He's at the light ready. He has no Cali converters. Hey y'all, I do got a good question. Hey, what's better for a track? Hybrid asphalt or concrete? Left lane for the win. Yeah, what's better for a racetrack? Hybrid asphalt or concrete? Yello Belly talking about redoing the track.
What you think he's shooting on that motherfucker?
Huh?
What you think he's shooting on that motherfucker?
And what, on that left lane? About 100? 100.
Yeah, at least 150.
Okay.
I think about 100.
Hey, what you think better for a racetrack? Hybrid asphalt or concrete?
Concrete.
Concrete? Okay. Okay.
Somebody asked you that?
Yeah. Yeah, Yello Belly gonna do the track over. I'm trying to see which one they should do. They ain't gonna do it? Oh, okay. He said
Like it, 50 more years.
50 more years. Hey, hey.
What happened?
Concrete stays the same. Asphalt gets greasy when hot. Okay. Okay. Let me see if they. Hey, look out, y'all on my YouTube channel.
Yes, you don't remember me?
I thought I remember. Oh yeah. What's your name?
Chloe.
Chloe. Man, what? Man, Chloe. Oh yeah. I'm from the car over there.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Chloe back in the building, y'all. Where you been?
What you mean? It's only been a week.
But where you been
I
though?
was here Sunday.
But where you been
Where
though?
you been?
I'm in East Dallas.
I've been at the bar.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
what
you're
bar
in
you
East
work
Dallas?
at? Yeah.
I'm in East Dallas.
Wait.
White Rock.
I need to come over there. Where I'm over there by what bar over there? It's a bar over there. I'm gonna pull up at the bar over there. I'm coming. I know which one. I be going over there to Willie's.
Yeah.
You ever been over there?
I've been over there, yeah.
Yeah, I done chilled in there
You
every
look
now and
different
then.
with your glasses.
Yeah, I had to put my glasses on.
I didn't even recognize you,
See?
but I heard your voice and I was like,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, that's me. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, y'all, Chloe back in the building, y'all. Chloe is back, man. She brought her friend, her boyfriend, everybody with them and everything, man.
My friend and her boyfriend.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh,
We got Chloe in the building, y'all. We got Chloe. Yeah. They said, did you have some tacos yet?
I did.
How many did you get? 2 or 3?
Like 5.
She had 5 tacos. Did you do green sauce or red sauce?
The green.
She did the green sauce. Okay, did you get any corn?
Oh, definitely. Mice. Yes.
Oh, she got the corn too? Man, she was fully loaded over there then. Did you put...
They say the corn absorbs the alcohol.
Oh,
And
okay.
then you put it
The corn absorbed the alcohol. That's new. I ain't know all that. Okay. The corn absorbed the alcohol, y'all. I'm learning. Have you ever seen her race right here?
Yes.
She running, ain't she? You finna
I don't like Fords.
You don't like Fords, but
She got some.
okay, she got some. Okay.